Welcome to JH. Today, I am going to guide you through the simple steps of making your account private. To begin, navigate to the 3 horizontal lines located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen and select Settings. Once you are in the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. You will notice a toggle switch for Private Account. If you try to flip this switch and receive a notification, it is likely because you are using a business account which cannot be set to private. If this applies to you, simply go back one screen and select the Account option. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and tap on Switch Account Type, then choose Switch to Personal Account. A confirmation window will pop up to verify this change. Go ahead and click on the red text that says Switch to Personal Account. You will see a loading symbol in the top right corner, and within a few seconds, your profile will be converted. Now that you have a personal profile, return to the Privacy menu. You can now successfully click the toggle to switch to private account. Instagram will provide a brief explanation of how this affects your profile, noting that only approved followers will be able to view your media, though your existing settings for mentions and messages will stay the same. Click the blue Switch to Private button to finalize the process. At this point, the app may ask if you want to review your current list of followers. You can choose to look through them or just tap Cancel to skip this step. You will know your account is private when you see the small lock icon appearing in the top left corner. To demonstrate that it works, I will log into a different account and search for this profile. As you can see, the content is hidden because I am not a follower. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let me know in the comments what else you need help with. See you next time.